Nice and easy. Dude, slow. Pull it up just nice and slow. There you go. You walk with it.
I can't even get a hold on to my rod.
Just hold on to it.
This catfish is big. Real big. Got him. Aw.
Walk him over. Look at him. Don't.
Oh! Oh!
You see that bass jump? Nice and easy, dude. You don't have to yank it like that. I guess there are some over here, right? Walk over that way. Okay, bud. Okay, just nice and easy. You don't want to break the line. Okay, so when the drag's set.
See it.
All right,
No.
walk him down here a little bit. No, see, you get, dude, you're gonna break the line if you get in that stuff. Okay, so what's gonna happen is, here.
Oh!
What? You're gonna
He's
break
up.
the line.
Oh, that's a big one.
Hold on. Let me go get the rag.